Hello iPhone users, digital touch exploration part 3. Now this is what you can see. We can do different things on the screen. Check the previous video to know how you get the screen. So if you normally tap, you get the circles that you got, right? So that's an interesting thing. You can remember the tricks which just was visible in the starting of the video, and I'm going to show you how you do that. So if you tap one finger, just a bubble will come up. If you draw it, then of course drawing is happening. If you press with one finger, just like hold it, so this amazing bubble of fire etc will come up, and you can send that, right? If I send it, it will be visible clearly. Now if I tap with two fingers on my screen, in this area, a kiss will be visible. So it's a very different thing. You can send it to your partners or anyone, right? And this is very interesting. I have more features to tell you. Now if you tap on the screen with two fingers and hold it, so heartbeat will come up. And to break the heartbeat, so basically heartbreak, you have to just tap with two fingers and hold it and slide it down, right? And there you get a heartbreak. So an interesting feature where you can get to do many things and just remember the tricks, and you can send it anytime, right? So this is the heartbreak. And very amazing feature if you want to send it to friends, partner, or randomly to someone, your cousins and everyone, with these tricks. And also draw something digitally. That's how we do it. In next video, tada. Also remember, this can be sent to an iPhone user only, not other than that. And also when you tap on the cross section, the cross sign, the cancel sign, only then a new frame will appear for you to draw, right? Remember that. And to get this option, you have to tap on the info area, the I option, right? That's how we do it. In next video, tada.